Let's talk about vertebrates. Do you still remember what a vertebrate animal is? Yes. Vertebrates are animals with backbones. There are 5 types of vertebrates and they all look different from each other. Mammals, birds, fish, amphibians, and reptiles. Mammals usually have hair or fur on their bodies. Most mammals have 4 legs or limbs. They breathe with their lungs, and most mammals got a tail. Female mammals give birth to live young and they are developed inside their body. So mammals are viviparous. Female mammals got mammary gland that produces milk to feed their young. Mammals feed on many things, like lion and tiger, they are carnivores. Deer and goat, they are herbivores. And other mammals like bears and chimpanzees are omnivores. Now, can you give some examples of mammals in English? And don't forget that the whales, the dolphins, the seals, and bats are also mammals. And let's talk about birds. Birds have got 2 legs, 2 wings, and a beak. Also, they got feathers all over their bodies. Most birds can fly, and some birds can swim. Birds breathe with their lungs. They lay eggs on land. They incubate their eggs to keep them warm. They are oviparous. Now, can you give some examples of birds in English? Reptiles have got hard scales on their bodies. They use their lungs to breathe in, and most reptiles have 4 legs. Snakes are different because they haven't got legs. They slither on the ground. Most reptiles lay eggs on land. They are oviparous. Some groups of reptiles are lizards, crocodiles, turtles, and snakes. Fish have a long body that's covered by their scales. And also, fish have fins so that they can swim through the water. The female produces eggs and lay them in water. Fish are oviparous. The female produces eggs and lay them in water. And lastly, amphibians. Amphibians have 4 legs and they have smooth skin. Amphibians are oviparous. They lay eggs in water. When amphibians are young, they are aquatic animals with gills to breathe. And later, when they become an adult, they grow lungs to breathe air and live on land. There are 2 main groups of amphibians. First, frogs and toads. The second, salamander and newts. Now that we are done discussing the vertebrates, can you answer the following questions? First, what are vertebrates? The second, what can you say about each group of vertebrates? And lastly, what group of vertebrates do human belongs? I hope this video helps you to understand what are vertebrates. And I think that I give some information about the topic. And lastly, please comment down below or like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And by the way, again, I'm Sir Rai Bautista.